Alright, listen up, you friends and neighbors. Today, we're going to make a pork roast that will blow your taste buds out of the water. This dish is so good, it deserves a Michelin-Star. And I'm not just saying that because I'm the Grungy Chef, I'm saying it because this recipe is absolutely phenomenal. Now, let's get started, shall we? Here are the ingredients you're going to need. That's it for me, the Grungy Chef. I hope you join me next time when I'll bring you another mouth-watering recipe. Greetings from Thailand from Robert and Moe. Please like, subscribe, and share.